Just a quick video to say I hope everybody in Tennessee is safe after all this flooding. We've got some flooded land, but we're all safe here. So anybody that's dealing with flooding, our prayers are with you. Just wanted to get that out there, guys. We've got a lot of flooding here. So hope everybody else is having a good weekend. We'll have some new videos coming out soon. Thanks a lot, guys. Please like and subscribe. You guys that are dealing with the flooding, please be safe out there. Cool to watch flooding and stuff when it's just in nature, and out here, you know, it's just the road. We can always fix that. So nobody got hurt, nobody was in any danger here, but I know that's not the case for a lot of people. So our thoughts and prayers are with you. I just wanted to say, you know, we are thinking about you, and I hope everybody stays safe out there. We'll see you next time, guys. Thanks for watching.